Work from home made easy for beginners. Join me as I challenge myself to turn my home office into the ultimate productivity hub for beginners. Let's see just how easy working from home can really be. Working from home is becoming increasingly popular, especially among beginners, and it's easy to see why. The flexibility, comfort, and lack of commute time are major draws. When you first start working from home, it can be tough to stay focused, distractions are everywhere, and it's easy to get sidetracked by household chores or family members. Many beginners struggle with time management, finding it difficult to separate work and personal life. You might find yourself working too much or too little, and it's hard to establish a routine. Creating a dedicated workspace can help, but it's not always easy to do, especially if you live in a small space. Staying motivated is another challenge. It's easy to feel isolated or disconnected from colleagues and friends when you work from home. You might miss out on social interactions or feel like you're not part of a team, and that can be tough to deal with. Procrastination is also a common issue. With the comfort of home comes the temptation to put off work until later. Establishing a schedule and sticking to it can be really helpful, but it's not always easy to do, especially when you're just starting out. You need to find a balance between work and personal life, and that takes time and practice. Setting up a dedicated workspace is crucial. It helps you establish a clear boundary between work and personal life. Creating a schedule and sticking to it can also help you stay focused and avoid procrastination. Prioritizing tasks and breaking them down into smaller, manageable chunks can make a big difference. Having a morning routine can be incredibly powerful. It helps you start the day on a positive note, and sets you up for success. Exercise, meditation, or simply enjoying a cup of coffee in peace can make a big difference. A transformative tip that can really enhance productivity is to use the Pomodoro technique. It involves working in focused 25-minute increments, followed by a 5-minute break. This technique can help you stay focused and avoid burnout. Using music to your advantage can also be really helpful. Listening to classical music or nature sounds can help you concentrate and stay focused. Taking breaks to move your body can also be really beneficial. It helps you stay energized and avoid burnout. Recapping the key strategies: setting a dedicated workspace, creating a schedule, prioritizing tasks, and using productivity techniques like the Pomodoro technique can really make a difference when working from home. If you've got any tips to share, please leave them in the comments below, and if you want more work from home advice, be sure to check out my other video on boosting productivity.